Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to install Cignal digital TV box. So let's start. So the step one is while the Cignal box is still power on, unplug it from power outlet. Number two is wait for 15 seconds and plug it back to the power outlet. Number three, your Cignal box should be automatically power back on. If issues persist, proceed to the next troubleshooting step. So only in case that the trouble continue, so let's go to this one. Perform a factory reset. Press menu on your remote control. Number two, select system and choose factory default. Number three, using your remote control and enter the pin 0000 or 1998 and select yes to continue to confirm the factory reset. Number four, your Cignal box will be rebooted and show the first time installation setup. Press OK to save the pre-select choices. That is how you can install or reinstall the digital TV box. If you have any problem, also you can contact the customer service there and help you to fix this trouble. So I hope this works for you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us a thumbs up to this video.